We define producer surplus as the difference between what producers are willing to accept and what they actually receive. Graphically, what they're willing to accept is indicated by the supply curve. In our example, say the price is 4 Rand, producer surplus will then be represented by the difference between what they're willing to accept and the price of 4. In other words, this green triangle. That is producer surplus. The question now is, what will happen if there's a decrease in price? Let's assume the price decreases to 3 Rand. What is the effect on producer surplus? If the price decreases to 3 Rand, two things happen. Firstly, because of the decrease in price, there's a decrease in quantity supplied from this level 300 to 240. In other words, immediately we can recognize a decrease in producer surplus represented by this little triangle. But that's not all. Producers don't receive 4 Rand anymore, but only 3. So they receive less, and therefore producer surplus decreases further with this rectangular. So the decrease in price results in two things. A decrease in quantity supplied, which decreases consumer surplus, this little triangle. Furthermore, producers don't receive 4 Rand anymore, but only 3. So there's another reduction in producer surplus, represented by the rectangular, and producer surplus then, total producer surplus, at a price of 3 is only represented by this triangle. A decrease in price decreases total producer surplus.